You can call it an ugly game, but don't call it ugly to Thomas Greiss. A spectacular performance to start the season for Thomas Greiss. 45 saves on 46 shots. The only thing that beat him a deflection.
I would say he's back, at least for a game, because he was nothing short of sensational. And you just like the way he played. And I talked about it in the first period. He got some good touches. He made some big saves. He was tested. I think there was 16 shots in the first period. But you could just see his movement, his reaction, his play, the ability to read the play, and then cover up the rebound whenever he needed to. But you could just see there, he's working hard to find the puck. And so often, goaltenders, when they're struggling, will get lazy. There was no laziness to this guy's game. It was second effort, third effort, and he just had a tremendous game. And Barry Trotz is exactly right. You need your goaltender to steal a game for you every once in a while. Maybe not on the first game, but it doesn't matter when it shows up. He definitely did that tonight.
His sixth career win against Carolina for a guy who had a rocky season a year ago, but Barry Trotz said his performance in training camp, the way he played, he felt he was the right choice for start number one here tonight.
And you would have to agree. And I mean, again, the coaches are evaluating every player, not just the goaltenders. And with the goalies you're watching, you see if they're sharp, what they're doing in practices, just the way they're preparing themselves. And certainly Leonard's had we know all about his history, and he's trying to focus and get his game back. And I think Barry Trotz knew exactly what was going on there. And when you're the coach, you have to make a decision, and he's 1-0 right now with that decision.